you're scrolling through the tutorials on MakeCode, one of the activities you'll find is Fireflies. It's a great tutorial to go through with lots of fun facts about fireflies. Later on, you might want to check it out and go through it, but for now, we're just going to flash the Firefly code onto our microbits. We've put the Firefly code together for you, so go ahead and flash this Firefly code to each one of your microbits. You'll probably need to use the battery packs to power all of your devices. You can plug these battery packs in by pushing the white plug into the port in the top left of the microbit. Be sure to handle these components very carefully because they're a bit delicate, and when you're ready to unplug the battery packs, remember to pull from the white plastic bit instead of on the cables. Once you flash the microbits, you'll notice that they automatically sync up with each other, like real fireflies. This program imitates fireflies in real life. Just like real fireflies, the microbits are flashing, and when a nearby microbit sees another microbit flash, it adjusts its cycle so that they can flash in sync. That's pretty cool. These fireflies illustrate an important thing to remember when we're working with computers. What you do online isn't private. Just like the fireflies and microbits, what you do online is visible by other people who are online, except it isn't limited to just people who are nearby. All sorts of people can see and access what you post, what you do, and even what you click on. Always remember just to be careful about what you put on the internet and how you use computers to keep your private information safe.